Elijah McClain was 23 years old, 5'7". He weighed 140 pounds.
I want to say this. This young man didn't deserve to die. Turns out that the cause of death, according to the autopsy of Elijah McClain, was too much drugs that it gave to him. It killed this young brother. You hear me right? The paramedics killed Elijah McClain. He was just walking home to buy some iced tea from a convenience store. And somebody called the police on him, claiming that he was suspicious. They subdued him. He wasn't even no threat to police officers at all. But then, according to an autopsy, it turns out, like I said, that the drugs that one of the paramedics gave him cost him his life. If I were the family of Elijah McClain, I will sue the Aurora paramedics because they literally killed this young man. Rest in peace, Elijah McClain. Believe me, justice will be served in your name. For real.